their garage. I've got some videos coming up about my Gravely lawn tractor, convertible riding tractor, but this video is actually about one of the pieces that I restored on the tractor and the tools that I used to get this thing painted like I wanted. It's pretty cool. Take a look. Okay, got the paint in from TCP Global for the Gravely. Let's see what the heck it looks like, if it's like an orangey red or did I miss the mark? Alright, it's a little bit redder than the factory orangey red, but the later Gravies had more red color, so I think I'm going to be fine with this. We got a quart of it. I thought that I would try something new to spray this on some of the small parts before I repaint the whole Gravely. So I bought a Pro Pack from Amazon. I'm going to see if I can spray the carburetor with this before I put it on, because I think that would be cool if we could get this painted rather than trying to paint everything all at once. So with the Pro Pack, it comes with like the grip, some extra spray nozzles, tubes, and 2 of these canisters. Cool. One thing I did know when I purchased these, this is an amazing spray system, not just a regular. Now you may be saying to yourself, Dave, why are you using a Preval little aerosol can? Don't you have a compressor and a spray gun? Haven't you painted things in the past? I've seen you do it. Yes, I have. But I'm doing one little piece part. I'm trying to paint it without getting my gun out, getting my gun nasty. My 3M cups are expensive. So if this thing works well, then I can use it to paint some little stuff and not worry about it. We're going to try it out. This is the business end of it here. It's got the aerosol can, it's got a pickup tube, and then the glass jar. And we'll see how easy it is to clean up too. But I think this may work well. I got hardener with the paint, but I'm not going to use it because I'm going to leave it maybe in the cup. I don't know, but if I use the hardener, then I definitely have to clean it really well. And it's just a carburetor, so I'm not too worried about it. When I paint the whole Gravely, I'll use the hardener in the single stage. See if I can do this without making a huge mess everywhere. Man, I gotta clean up this toolbox. It is kind of orangey though, really. If I need to thin it down, I got some urethane reducer here, but first thing I gotta do is clean up this dang mess I made. Alright, now that I got all the paint spill cleaned up, I'm gonna try this thing. Let's see if it works. Heck yeah! That's rock star action right there, man. That's really pretty cool. Alright, I'm gonna paint this car first. It actually is pretty close color once I sprayed it on there. It's pretty orangey. Wow, that works super great, and I didn't get a spray gun dirty. Now I got to clean this stinking thing, but you know what? I was really impressed with this. That's super cool. Just got to let it dry. All right, it comes with a super cool cap, right? These are glass, and I capped off the paint because there's no hardener in it. It should still be good as long as air doesn't get to it. And I took some thinner and cleaned this thing out, and it really wasn't bad at all to clean it out. Hopefully it'll work again. But for 20 bucks, who cares? I was really impressed. We'll take a look at it after it dries, but The reason I got this in the first place is that I couldn't find touch-up paint in the color that I wanted, so I bought a quart of it in straight enamel. Well, I didn't want to get my whole gun dirty and have to go through all that whole mess. This $20 kit actually did a super good job by Preval, and I may have to buy some more of this stuff. I really liked it. For doing a little touch-up stuff, this thing worked great. Alright, so it looks great. That little sprayer did a fantastic job. The enamel's dry. It's ready to go back on the Gravely, and we're going to see if it works. Alright, so yes, there is some video editing going on. The shirt's different, and I put in that little clip of when I had finished rebuilding the carburetor. It turned out really nice. I mean, I was very impressed with it. The little Preval system, there was less waste than using a spray gun. It was a lot easier to clean up. You know, there was a lot of benefits to that. And I've got the little jar with paint, so when I want to paint something else, I can just spray it and clean that thing out. So it was pretty impressive. And for $20, man, it's hard to beat. I put a link down below in the video if you want to try it. I don't know how it would work on like a car finish. I don't know if it's that, I'm not sure that it's that precise, but you know, I may try it someday, who knows. But for little touch-up stuff like that, it was awesome. Gonna have some videos coming up of my Gravely, which is a super cool convertible walking mower, and more of the building, the shed, how some guys messed around, not doing the job they were supposed to do. Go figure. I appreciate you being a subscriber and watching all the videos. I'm David from the Redneck Garage. Keep turning wrenches.